safety and comfort, please remain seated while the track is moving. Please secure hold on grab bars. Do not extend your figures outside the mat. And lastly, do not use flash photography during this tour. So inside, we have 3 white lions that are bred and raised in captivity from France, but originated in South Africa. They have a spacious area of 1.2 hectares where they can freely roam and exhibit their natural behavior. Also, all these lions are males, they are siblings, and they also have names: Jack, Max, and Bugoy. These lions are 8 years old, turning 9. Although lions are big in size, but they can reach the speed of 81 kilometers per hour in short distance. You can now stand up and take a picture. Wow.
Sit there. Iba, sir.
Lions are also carnivores, so we fed them dressed chicken or beef for 5 to 8 kilograms per lion per day.
Yeah, picture.
So if you might be wondering why they are called white lions when they are not entirely white, it's
Nakapicture
because
na,
they are not albinos po. You can move forward now.
Nakapicture na.
They are leucistic, which means they have a partial loss of pigmentation, resulting in a pale or nearly white in color. We don't have female lions here to avoid aggressive fights. Their lifespan in the wild is about 12 to 16 years, while in captivity they can live up to 20 to 25 years. If they are in Timbabati region in South Africa, they are purely white, but they adapt the climate and the environment here. That's why they are brownish. Also, all lions are nocturnal animals, which means they are more active during night and sleepy during daytime. They are also territorial animals po. So they mark their territories by scratching trees or urinating the area.
So yeah, had it. Roar, lion, roar. Lion, roar.
Ooh! Piyak masud ang ulo sa kawan.
Roar siya na roar. Lagkuan, oh. Tiil.
Tingnan ang tayo sa miro ba? Sa pa. Butan naman siya.
Takuan na yun.
Okay, you can now sit down so we can move forward.